Hi, Stephen here from Inexteriors Painters and Decorators, and you're watching Inexteriors TV. In this video we're going to be sanding a ceiling. If you would like to purchase some of the similar tools that I use for this task, please feel free to check out the links in the description below. And also, if you're planning on doing any other decorating works, please feel free to visit my tool store. The links are also in the description below. So with that said, let's do this. Right, let me show you what it is we're going to be doing and what sanding we're going to be what ceiling we're going to be sanding. That's the one. Right then, I'm doing this staircase, and what we are going to be sanding, or what I'm going to be showing you, is this ceiling here. I mean, as you can see, a loft conversion's been added some time ago. So yeah, so what we've got to do is make this look a bit better. So we've got this here, which was maybe a loft hatch, I don't know. So we're going to have to fill that out and just make that a bit better. We've got this here where it steps out. We've got, yeah, if I just turn the camera back that way, you should. So you see where that steps there, so we've got to fill that. And then we've got this here as well. And then we've just got like general sort of flaky paint. Right, I'm going to get the tripod and camera set up and I'm going to start sanding it. Right, what I'm using here is some 60 grit sandpaper and my multi-tool scraper, and I'm not forgetting my dust mask because people comment and have a go at me, so I try and wear a dust mask these days to stop people from saying, Stephen, where's your dust mask? But you are right. Safety first. Right, what I'm going to do now then is just start by scraping off any protruding bits and any loose bits, really. That's about all we can do. So, right, I'm going to set about sanding and scraping this then. See you in a bit. I know you're probably going to say glasses, but the glasses are really hard to wear because they just steam up. When I'm sanding, I'm always trying to sand it in front of me, and if I can help it, not over my head like that, or like that. I'm always trying to keep it like that where I can. But also, this is a really tight space as well. I've got like a little landing and I've got my tripod on it. I've got my step ladders, so I might not be able to avoid doing that at some point. See, with all these flaky blister bits, we're just trying to get them back to a hard edge. We're not trying to sand it all smooth. Like I say, we're just trying to get it to a hard edge and sand it and make sure nothing's sort of protruding. We are trying to get it smooth, but we're not trying to sand out the steps in between the peeling paint and the ceiling. Either we'll fill that or the thick lining paper will cover the majority of it. If there's any that are really heavy steps, we'll fill them out. Right, I need to turn my camera around to this end now so I can film doing that side. And as my wife would sing, hello from the other side. Right, these, that's my attempt at a joke by the way. These I'm going to worry about at a later date. I'm probably going to end up taking them off to paper around them, so that's when I'll do the necessary prep around them. So let's crack on. Let me give you a close-up of what it's looking like now after it's been sanded. As you can see now, there's no loose bits, it's all nice and clean. There's nothing sort of really sticking out. So the next stage of this will be to fill it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.